Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get started with Sprout Social. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the platform and its features. Let's dive in. Sprout Social is a powerful tool that can be used for various purposes, including social media management, customer care, data intelligence, social commerce, and social amplification. No matter your business or industry, Sprout Social can help streamline your processes and improve your social media strategy. To begin, go to the Sprout Social website and click on Try for Free Trial in the top right corner. Sprout Social offers a free trial on all its premium plans, but note that all plans are paid. There is no free version. Once your 30-day trial ends, you'll need to choose a plan. Fill in your basic details, including your name, email, and password to create an account. After setting up your account, you'll be prompted to link a social media account. This could be your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Pinterest account. Next, fill in your organization's details. Sprout Social will then ask what you intend to do with the platform. You can choose whether you'll be monitoring a team, handling tasks yourself, or a combination of both. Once you've provided this information, your account setup will be complete and you'll be directed to the dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the navigation panel. This includes sections like Dashboard, Inbox, Tasks, Feeds, Publishing, Listening, Reports, and Reviews. At the bottom left corner, you'll find your account settings. You can customize your organization's structure by creating groups, such as a marketing team or a specific platform management team. The main dashboard provides an overview of recent activity, today's publishing schedule, and connected profiles. It also offers quick access to help resources like webinars and support. On the right-hand side, you'll find features like notifications, team conversations, shared links, profile connection options, and team member invitations. For example, you can invite team members by entering their names and email addresses. Next, explore the Smart Inbox. This feature consolidates all messages from your linked accounts, including wall posts, comments, private messages, and more. You can filter the types of messages you want to see, such as comments only. This streamlines your workflow by eliminating the need to open individual social media platforms. The Tasks section allows you to assign and track open or closed tasks across your team. For instance, you can create tasks for leads, support, or general activities and monitor their progress. This feature is particularly useful for managing team workflows and ensuring accountability. Publishing is one of the most valuable features of Sprout Social. Here, you can schedule posts across different platforms. Click on Compose, draft your post, and schedule it for a specific date and time. You can also set up workflows for posts that need approval, making it easy for larger teams to collaborate on content. The Listening feature provides analytics to help you understand your audience. It shows you trending topics, engagement levels, and demographic insights. This data can inform your strategy and help you create content that resonates with your audience. Finally, let's briefly discuss the plans available on Sprout Social. The standard plan costs $199 per user per month. It includes features like 5 social profiles. The professional plan, which is $299 per user per month, adds features like unlimited social profiles. The advanced plan costs $399 per user per month. I hope this tutorial helps you get started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.